Good morning, all of you. So, a substance consisting of any one kind of atom is called an element. So, discuss about classification of elements. So, the concept of elements was introduced by Robert Boyle. For elements, the concept of symbols was developed by Berzelius. Up to now, 119 elements are found. Among these, 94 elements are natural and remaining 25 elements are man-made elements. So, based on the physical state of these elements, elements are classified into three types. These are liquid elements, gaseous elements and solid elements. So, the number of elements liquid state is 2. The number of gaseous elements is 11. So these are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So bromine is the liquid non-metal, mercury is a liquid metal and technetium is the first man-made element. So to discuss about nature and properties of these total elements, different scientists are proposed different periodic tables. So first one, so discuss about historical development of periodic table. So among these, first one, Dobereiner triads. Dobereiner arranged a set of three elements. Tri means three. So examples for Dobereiner triads: lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, strontium, barium, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So according to this law, statement of Dobereiner triads law, Dobereiner arranged a set of three elements with respect to atomic mass. So the average atomic weight of first element and last element is equal to the atomic weight of middle element. That is the statement of Dobereiner triads law. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium are arranged triad. So the atomic weight of lithium is 7, atomic weight of potassium is 39. So the atomic weight of sodium is the average atomic weight of lithium and potassium. So atomic weight of sodium is equal to the atomic weight of lithium plus atomic weight of potassium. So 7 plus 39 by 2 equal to 23. It is the atomic weight of sodium. Similarly, second triad, calcium, strontium, barium. So the atomic weight of strontium is equal to the average atomic weight of calcium and barium. So the atomic weight of calcium is 40. Atomic weight of barium is 137. So the atomic weight of strontium is the average atomic weight of calcium and barium. So the atomic weight of calcium is 40 plus atomic weight of barium is 137. 40 plus 137 by 2 is equal to 88.5. Approximate atomic weight of strontium is 88. And similarly, third example, chlorine, bromine, iodine belongs to Dobereiner triads law. So the atomic weight of bromine is the average atomic weight of chlorine and iodine. So the atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. So the atomic weight of iodine is 127. Therefore, atomic weight of bromine is the average atomic weight of chlorine and iodine. So atomic weight of bromine is equal to atomic weight of chlorine, that is 35.5 plus atomic weight of iodine 127 by 2 is equal to 80. It is the atomic weight of bromine. So this is about Dobereiner triads law. Second one, John Newland's octaves. Octave means 8. So John Newland proposed an periodic law. So with respect to a set of 8 elements, so the same properties of first element is similar with the properties of 8th element. For example, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine, sodium. So lithium is the first element and the sodium is the 8th element. Lithium and sodium having similar properties due to both lithium and sodium having similar valency electrons. And sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium, calcium. So sodium is the first element and eighth element is potassium. Both sodium and potassium having similar properties due to sodium, potassium having a similar number of valency electrons. So this is about John Newland octaves law. So statement of John Newland's law, the properties of first element and eighth element having similar properties with each other. Third classification of elements, that is Mendeleev's classification of elements. Mendeleev proposed an periodic table based on atomic weight. According to Mendeleev's periodic table, so statement of Mendeleev's periodic law. So the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. So Mendeleev proposed an periodic table. So Mendeleev periodic table consists of 12 horizontal rows are called groups, 6 vertical columns are called periods. So Mendeleev corrected the atomic weights of elements like iron, cobalt, nickel, and a group of elements of 8 consist of 3 triads. These are iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, indium, and platinum. So at the time of construction of Mendeleev periodic table, 3 gaps are left. At the time of construction of periodic table, these 3 gaps are Eka boron, Eka silicon, Eka aluminum. After the modification of this Mendeleev classification of elements, Eka boron is similar properties with scandium, Eka silicon is similar properties with gallium, and Eka aluminum is similar properties with germanium. So Moseley's periodic table based on atomic weight. So the relation between atomic weight and equivalent weight. So atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valency. Next one, Moseley's law. Moseley's periodic table consists of groups and period. Moseley's periodic law based on atomic number. Atomic number was denoted by Z. Generally, elements having 2 types properties. These are physical and chemical properties. So Mendeleev's law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. So Moseley proposed a periodic table to discuss demerits of Mendeleev's periodic law. So Moseley proposed an equation, the relation between frequency and atomic number. Frequency is denoted by nu, atomic number is denoted by Z. So root nu equal to A into Z minus B. So this is called Moseley's equation. So the graph plotted between root nu and atomic number Z, straight line is obtained from origin. So this is the graph representation between frequency and atomic number. Next, modern periodic table. Modern periodic table is also known as long form of the periodic table. So modern periodic table was proposed by Niels Bohr. So modern periodic table constructed based on modern periodic law. So modern periodic law statement depend on atomic number and electronic configuration. Atomic number was denoted by Z. So statement of modern periodic law. Element having 2 types properties. These are physical and chemical properties. So the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers and electronic configuration. So modern periodic table consists of 2 parts. One is horizontal rows, second one vertical columns. Horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. Modern periodic table consists of 7 periods and 18 groups. So first one, discuss about classification of periods. First period consists of hydrogen, two elements from hydrogen and helium, so it is called shortest period. Second period consists of 8 elements from lithium to neon, so it is called first short period. So second period elements are also known as bridge elements. Third period elements consist of 8 elements from sodium to argon, it is called second short period. Third period elements are also known as typical elements. Fourth period elements consist of 18 elements from potassium to krypton, it is called first long period. Fifth period consists of 18 elements from rubidium to xenon, so it is called second long period. Sixth period consists of 32 elements from cesium to radon, it is also known as longest period. Seventh period consists of 32 elements from francium to incomplete, these are also known as incomplete period. So every element starts with alkaline metal and end with noble gases. So the construction of modern periodic table based on graphical representation of Bose principle. Next, second type, classification of groups. So according to a UPSC system, modern periodic table was classified into 18 groups, common system 8 groups. So first A group elements. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium belongs to first A group elements. These are also known as alkaline metals. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium belongs to second A group elements. These are also known as alkaline earth metals. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium belongs to third A group elements. These belongs to boron family. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead belongs to fourth A group elements. These are called carbon family. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth belongs to fifth A group elements. These are also known as nicogens. Why? The first element of fifth group elements is nitrogen. The name of nitrogen is nicogen. That's why fifth A group elements are also known as nicogens. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium belongs to sixth A group elements. These are also known as chalcogens. The word chalco means mineral, genus means produced. They can produce minerals. That's why these are also known as chalcogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine belongs to seventh A group elements. These are also known as halogens. The word halus means sea, water. Genus means produced. They can produce it from sea water. That's why seventh A group elements are also known as halogens. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon belongs to eighth A group elements. These are also known as zero group elements due to the valency of eighth A group elements is zero. These are also known as noble gases, inert gases and aerogens. Types of blocks of elements. So based on the electronic configuration of elements, periodic table was classified into 4 blocks. These are S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and F block elements. So we discuss about one by one. So first one, S block elements. So the valency electron enter into S orbital are called S block elements. The maximum number of electrons present in S orbital is 2. So S block elements consist of 2 groups. These are first A group and second A group elements. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium belongs to first A group elements. These are also known as alkaline metals. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium belongs to second A group elements. These are also known as alkaline earth metals. So S block elements are arranged at the left side of the periodic table. So the general electronic configuration of S block elements is NS1 to 2. So S block elements are all or belongs to metals. Second type P block elements. The valence electron enter into p orbital are called p block elements. So the maximum number of electrons present in p orbital is 6. So p block elements consist of 6 groups from third year to 8th year group elements. So these p block elements are arranged at the right side of the periodic table. P block elements consist of metals, non-metals and metallites. So the general electronic configuration of p block elements is Ns2Np126. Third type, d block elements. The valence electron enter into n-1 into d orbital are called d block elements. So the maximum number of electrons present in d orbital is 10. So d block elements are arranged in between s and p block elements in 4 series. These are 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D. 3D series from scandium to zinc, 4D series from yttrium to cadmium, 5D series from hafnium to mercury, 6D series from actinium to incomplete. D block elements are also known as transition elements. So 3D series is called first transition element, 4D series is called second transition elements, 5D series is called third transition elements and 6D series is called incomplete transition series. So the general electronic configuration of d block elements is n-1d 1 to 10 ns 1 to 2. So properties, these are all metals, but mercury is metal, it is in liquid state, others are in solids. They have high boiling and melting points. They can act as a good conductor of electricity. They can form alloys. They can exhibit magnetic properties like dia, para, ferro, and they can form complex compounds. Fourth, F block elements. The valence electron enter into n-2 into F orbital are called F block elements. The maximum number of electrons are present in F orbital is 14. The general electronic configuration of F block elements is n-2 F 1 to 14 into n-1 D 0 to 1 ns2. So F block elements are arranged at the bottom of the periodic table in 2 series. These are 4F series and 5F series. 4F series are called lanthanides. 5F series elements are called actinides. Types of elements. Based on the properties of elements, periodic table was classified into 4 types. These are representative elements, noble gases, transition elements and inner transition elements. So first one, representative elements. The valence electrons incompletely filled with both s and p orbitals are called representative elements. Except to zero group elements, both s block and p block elements are belongs to representative elements. So the general electronic configuration of representative elements is ns2np125. So this type of elements belongs to metals, non-metals and metallites. And second type, noble gases. Noble gases are chemically inactive. The chemical reactivity of any element depend on electronic configuration. Noble gases having a stable electronic configuration. It has a octet configuration except helium. So both S and P block elements are completely filled with electrons are called noble gases. So these are arranged at the right side of the periodic table. These are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So among these, radon is the radioactive noble gas. So the general electronic configuration of noble gases is Ns2Np6. So they have octet configuration. Oct means 8 electrons are present in the outermost shell. But helium is a doublet configuration. It has 2 electrons are present in the valence shell. Noble gases are also known as zero group elements due to the valency of these elements is 0. These are chemically inactive, that's why these are also known as inert gases. Noble gases are obtained from air, that's why these are also known as aerogens. Third type, transition elements. The elements in which incompletely filled with d orbitals are called d block elements. These are also known as transition elements. Except to 2b group elements like zinc, cadmium, mercury, all d block elements are belongs to transition elements. So the general electronic configuration of transition elements is N-1d 129 Ns2. Properties of transition elements. These are all metals. They have high boiling and melting points. They can act as a good conductor of electricity. They can form alloys. They can form complex compounds. They can exhibit magnetic properties. They can exhibit variable oxidation states. Fourth type, inner transition elements. The elements in which are incompletely filled with d orbitals are called inner transition elements. So these are arranged at the bottom of the periodic table in two series. These are 4f and 5f. 4f elements are called lanthanides, 5f elements are called actinides. These are all belongs to metals. The general electronic configuration of inner transition elements is N-2f 1214 into N-1d 021 Ns2. The lightest element in the periodic table is hydrogen. The first s block element is also hydrogen. The lightest metal is lithium. The most active metal is cesium. The most active non-metal is fluorine. The first synthetic means man-made element is technetium. The densest metal is osmium. The most malleable metal is gold. The costliest metal is platinum. Noble metals are silver, gold, platinum. Coinage metals are copper, gold, silver. The metal with the highest conductivity is silver. The metal with the highest melting point is tungsten. It is wolfram. That's why tungsten is used in the electric bulb as filament. The non-metallic conductor is graphite. Generally metals are good conductors, non-metals are insulators. But graphite is non-metallic conductor. It acts as a good conductor of electricity. Semiconductors. Semiconductors means the elements partially allow the electric current are called semiconductors. Germanium, gallium, boron, silicons are belongs to semiconductors. The most abundant element in human blood is oxygen. The element with chlorophyll is magnesium. Chlorophyll is present in the green leaves of plants. Blood consists of hemoglobin. So the metal present in hemoglobin is iron. Vitamin B12 consists of cobalt. The lowest melting point of metal is mercury. Why? It is existed in liquid state. The first S block element is hydrogen. The first P block element is boron. The first D block element is scandium. The first F block element is lanthanum. Reactivity of elements. Any element can participate in the chemical reactions due to get stability. Stability of atoms get a octet configuration. Octet means 8 electrons are present in the outermost shell. So the chemical reactivity of any element depend on number of valence electrons. So any element can participate in the chemical reaction by losing or gaining or sharing of electrons. For example, sodium atomic number 11, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. These are divided into number of shells K, L, M. So 2 electrons are present in the K shell, 8 electrons are present in the L shell, 1 electron is present in the M shell. So the numerical representation of electronic configuration of sodium atom is 281. It loses 1 electron to get octet configuration, it get a Na+. Na+ consists of 10 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of Na+ ion is 2, 8. Similarly, magnesium atomic number 12, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. These are divided into number of shells K, L and M shell. 2 electrons are present in the K shell, 8 electrons are present in the L shell, 2 electrons are present in the M shell. So the numerical electronic configuration of magnesium is 282. Magnesium loses these two electrons. Losing of electrons get positive charge. Lose two electrons to get a Mg plus 2. Mg plus 2 ion consists of 10 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of Mg plus 2 ion is 2, 8. Similarly, aluminium. Aluminium atomic number 13. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p1. These are divided into shells K, L and M shell. So 2 electrons are present in the K shell, 8 electrons are present in the L shell and 3 electrons are present in the M shell. So the numerical electronic configuration of aluminium atom is 283. Aluminium loses these 3 electrons to get octet configuration. So losing of electrons get positive charge, losing of 3 electrons. So aluminum ion formula is Al plus 3. Al plus 3 ion consists of 10 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of aluminum ion is 2,8. Fluorine. Fluorine atomic number 9. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. These are divided into shells K, L. 2 electrons are present in the K shell, 7 electrons are present in the L shell. So the numerical electronic configuration of fluorine atom is 2, 7. It gain 1 electron to get a octet configuration. Gaining of electrons get negative charge. So fluorine gain 1 electron. So fluorine ion consists of negative charge. So F minus ion consists of 10 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of fluorine ion is 2, 8. Oxygen. Atomic number 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. These are divided into shells K and L shell. 2 electrons are present in the K shell, 6 electrons are present in the L shell. So oxygen atom gain 2 electrons to get a octet configuration. Gaining of electrons get negative charge. So oxygen gain 2 electrons to form oxygen ion, that is O minus 2. O minus 2 ion consists of 10 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of O minus 2 ion is 2, 8. Next. Isoelectronic series. The word iso means same. So same number of electrons. So the series in which contains same number of electrons is called isoelectronic series. N minus 3 consists of 10 electrons. O minus 2 consists of 10 electrons. F minus, Na plus, Mg plus 2 and Al plus 3 consist of 10 electrons. That's why these are belongs to isoelectronic series.